sink. Finally,
Hey guys, we're Sinner's Heist, and you're listening to our new track called Streetlight People, featuring Harley Bird.
The project started with Harley first sending us an acoustic version of the track, which immediately inspired us, so we started rewriting the instrumental.
Our goal was to potentiate the dark and chilling vibe from his vocals using effects and various elements, and then create a prevailing and energetic drop.
We had a blast making it and hope you guys enjoy it as well.
people.
Hi, I'm Floating Your Boat. Me and Chris Lynn are bringing you a track on NCS called Holding On. I was really honoured to find out that Chris actually wanted to work with me. He was an absolute wonder to work with, and there's no surprise as to why he's been on so many huge tracks already. So I obviously jumped at the opportunity. The track is very personal, as it's about being stuck in a loop, living the same old life and being too afraid to take risks to accomplish more. I think this really resonated with me and Chris and led to the synergy and flow in creating this track. I hope this song clicks with and inspires you guys and causes the same serendipity it did with me. Thank you.
I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. I'm on my own, broken alone.
Hey, this is Diamond Eyes here, and you're now about to listen to my new record, Everything. Everything is a record about giving everything you have